Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I'm going to give you a solution to two problems found in MotiveWave. Nothing wrong with MotiveWave, but just there's some things that will limit people. First is trading in cryptocurrency. There is a way to send out orders from MotiveWave. I'm going to talk about the solution as well as the other scenario is if you are working with a limited edition, like a lower priced edition of MotiveWave, you could still execute trades for any asset class as long as it can be done in, well, in this demo with Python. So that would be like crypto or Forex as an example. There are online other examples how to do trades through interactive brokers, and obviously with interactive brokers you can trade anything. So there are some example code out there. First off, if you're interested in these type of topics, just go over to the quantlabs.net/book and fill out all the info to get yourself some free stuff like PDFs, and you will learn and get put on our mailing list. Okay, the other thing is what I'm about to show you is only available for all my quant elites, so there is a chargeable something for this. Right now being November, I believe it's the 27th now. Yeah. Black Friday is upon us, so we have two sales. Go to the store at quantlabs.net, which is now powered by Shopify. Just look for the elite link right here. That will get you all hooked up for this membership among 2 years term plus the analytics service. So come Cyber Monday, that will no longer be the case, where it'll be just an annual programming Quant Elite membership. On top of that, if you are really serious about MotiveWave, do understand you can come into quantlabs.net and click on this MotiveWave link at the top, and that will take you to the MotiveWave site, and you can take advantage of 30% off. Now, for those that have been, who don't want to say complaining, but yet say that MotiveWave is too expensive. Now, don't get me wrong, I think MotiveWave is cheap compared to other platforms that I've seen. The MotiveWave has a lot of things that I've been talking about with Deltix. That's $15,000 a month, but you have quite a lot of the same similar functionality for a much lower price with the Ultimate Edition, and then you go down. So for the editions that will limit you on the trading, I think it's just the standard, maybe the trade, but definitely the standard. And also, as I said, you cannot execute trades or send out orders on the standard edition. This solution will kind of work, but it's only really, as I said, for cryptocurrency, maybe Forex, and I don't show any examples, but it can be done with interactive brokers through their Python API. So what we're talking about, and this is a link to the elite post that I just posted, if I can find it, right here, right here. What we're doing is we're combining the Redis SQL, no SQL. We're creating a queue using the publisher and subscriber model found in Redis. And so what we're doing is we're setting up Java in the MotiveWave with the ability to connect into Redis using Jedis on the Java side, and that's set up as a publisher. And then at the other end, we have the publisher subscriber, where the Python side is the subscriber. And in that, you will find code to receive the message from being sent from MotiveWave because it's being pushed through, where the Java or in the MotiveWave side would be the publisher, and then through the message queue, have Python on the other side receive the trade or the order info and send out an order via, in my case, CCXT for the order of any crypto exchange as long as CCXT supports it. From what I've seen, my preference is Binance US. So if you want to learn more about that, again, you could come over to the store here, and there's another product that can be a standalone to build Python bots. You can get that through this course here, the Python 3 Algo Trading Infrastructure with Cryptocurrency course. So that will show you a set of examples on how to do orders with CCXT. But this particular post for my lead I just posted does that and also handles it from MotiveWave as well. So there is some really cool stuff there. And I show that through this link. You can see here I give also the source code for both the Java and the Python. Now, when you're working with Java for Python or for MotiveWave, it is strongly assumed that you know Java pretty well, and also on the Python side as well, that you know Python to build that. And of course, I have a short video on the walkthrough on both sides for the Java publisher and the Python subscriber using Redis. So if you want that, all you gotta do is just come over to the store. Again, that will take you to Shopify and pick up all the necessary stuff. Again, if you want to stay up to date with what I'm working on, just come over to quantlabs.net/book, fill out all your details, and you will be able to trade crypto in MotiveWave, which is, I understand the limitations of it, but in this case, there is a temporary solution until maybe there will be a version with MotiveWave where you can execute trades through MotiveWave, from MotiveWave to execute orders in crypto. And as well as there's a workaround for that MotiveWave standard, standard edition as well. So that's where it stands. Hopefully you'll see the excitement of where we're going and jump on any of those sales that I mentioned on MotiveWave or the Quant Elite before the end of Cyber Monday, coming up pretty fast with Black Friday. Talk to you later. Have a good day.